Scene: laundry room in Alex's new apartment.
Alex is standing in the laundry room looking confused. Mia walks in to help. Hi, Mia. Thanks for coming. I really need your help.
Hi, Alex. No problem. What's going on?
I've never used a laundry room before. I don't know where to start.
Don't worry. It's easy once you know how. First, do you have your laundry?
Yes, it's here in this bag.
Great. Let's start. First, you need to separate your clothes.
Separate? What do you mean?
Separate light colors and dark colors. Light colors can get stained by dark ones.
Oh, I see. So white's in one pile and dark's in another?
Exactly. Now, let's choose a washing machine.
Okay. How do I know which one to use?
Look for an empty machine, open the door, and check if it's clean.
Got it. This one looks good. What's next?
Put your clothes inside. Don't overfill it, leave some space.
Okay. Clothes are in. Now what?
Do you have detergent?
Yes, I bought this liquid detergent. Is it okay?
Perfect. Pour it into this compartment. See the label. It says detergent.
Oh, I see. How much should I use?
Use the cap as a guide. Usually, one cap is enough.
Got it. Detergent is in.
Good. Now, choose the wash cycle.
There are so many options. What do they mean?
Don't worry. For most clothes, use normal or quick wash.
I'll choose normal.
Perfect. Now press the start button.
Done. How long does it take?
About 30 to 40 minutes.
Great. What about drying the clothes?
After washing, you'll use a dryer.
Do I need to separate clothes for the dryer too?
Yes, delicate fabrics might need air drying. Check the labels on your clothes.
Labels? Oh, I didn't think about that.
Don't worry. For now, put everything in the dryer. Choose a low heat setting if you're unsure.
Okay, I'll remember that. How long does drying take?
About 40 to 60 minutes.
Wow, that's simple. Thanks, Mia.
You're welcome. Now you can do your laundry anytime.
Yeah, next time I'll be a pro.
They laugh as the washing machine starts its cycle.